Today, I'll show you how to get PayPal money off hold. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign into the PayPal account where the money is currently on hold. Once you are logged in, check your PayPal balance or account overview. If PayPal is holding a payment, you may see a message like Money on Hold, Payment on Hold, or Know Your Options. Tap or click that message to see why the money is being held. PayPal may hold money for different reasons. For example, you may be a new seller, you may not have sold in a while. The transaction may look unusual, or PayPal may need more information about the order. PayPal also says new sellers can sometimes have payments held for up to 21 days while they build a positive selling history. Now go to Activity. Find the payment that is on hold. Open the transaction details. If you sold a physical product, look for an option like Get Your Money, Add Tracking, or Update Tracking Info. Add the tracking number and shipping carrier. According to PayPal, eligible payments may be released around 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. If you sold a service or digital product, choose the option for service or virtual product, then update the order status to completed. PayPal says that for eligible service or intangible item payments, the hold may be released 7 days after you confirm the order status as completed. After updating the transaction, click Submit. Now wait for PayPal to review the update. You can check the payment status again from the activity page. If PayPal asks you to confirm your identity, complete that step as soon as possible. This may include confirming your email, phone number, bank account, card, or identity documents. Also, make sure you respond quickly to any buyer messages, disputes, refunds, or chargebacks. Unresolved issues can delay your money. If there is no option to release the money early, you may need to wait until PayPal's hold period ends. In some cases, PayPal says the hold can last up to 21 days. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, check the hold message, go to Activity, update the order, add tracking for shipped items, mark services as completed, complete identity checks, and wait for PayPal to release the funds. And that's how you get PayPal money off hold. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.